Hey guys, I'm back, and today we're going to make some ramen noodles for lunch using the microwave. Stay safe, kids. So you're gonna need a bowl and your ramen noodles. I have some beef flavor, and I am going to put the noodles in here. Oh, this isn't working. Okay, when you make them in the bowl from the microwave, make sure you crack it in the bag thing first, so they all fit, which I did not do, so it makes it really hard to fit in here. Hey, yeah. Woohoo! And then next, you're going to need about 2 cups of water, or at least a cup. I will go get them. I have a half cup. You can read it. Half cup. But I'm going to use 2 to get 1 cup. That makes sense. So here is 1. And let me go get another. And 2. That is 1 cup of water. And you're going to need your flavoring packet. So I'm going to get that all ready and up to go. And I'm opening that up right now. Just going to pour all that in, if it will go in. Okay, I don't understand, but it will not go in. But that's all right. So, that's in there. And then after that, then you put it in the microwave for 1 minute and 30 seconds. It heats up. We'll just let that heat up right then and there. So, yeah. We'll just wait. Okay, this is gonna take a little while. Well, I guess while your time is there, I guess you can pick up your nuts and stuff, which is exactly how flavoring. So yeah. And then if you're done with that while you're waiting, I don't know what you can do while you're waiting, but you know, there's lots. Okay, now I'm bored. I'm bored. That's okay, I'm gonna show you guys something. It's really cool. Like a block. Charger block. I don't know why I even have that, but I do. Plug that in. Then we got this little cactus buddy right here. You ready for it? You ready for the light show? I'll go turn off the light so you guys can see it. Oh! Is that not cool or what? It's actually green, but maybe if I put it back you guys can see better. Well, it's green, if you didn't know. It looks white, but it's green. So. Okay, so then, we'll just jump like that. And now my noodles are ready. Let's just take those those out right now. Here are the noodles. The noodles. Okay. Let's just hope this is good. Let's just hope. Gonna need another minute and 30 seconds, but that's okay. What do you think? So we'll just put it in there for another minute and 30 seconds. That'll equal 3 minutes. When you guys do your noodles, make sure you do it for 3 minutes. I probably should have set that at the start, but you know me. So, you guys want to see the light show again? Well, let's go. I don't have that cool stuff, but yeah. So, lights are out. And boom. Bam! There goes the cactus light. Woo, lights. Wee. Yeah, so there's the cactus. Now I'm really bored. Now I'm just really bored. Well, that's okay. That's okay. So we will just turn on the lights back on. There they are. Slowly. We got them. And then it's off, on, off, on, off, on, off, on, off, on. So there that goes. Let's see what this is. Now that was garlic. Blah, blah, blah. Let's look at some pictures. Yeah, let's look at some pictures. Oh, well, never mind. Forget that. The noodles are done. So let's see how they look this time. Ouch, hot. They're looking good. I will just stir that up really quick. Yes, so definitely do your noodles for 3 minutes when you guys do yours. So let's just see how they look. They look like noodles, I have to say. I think I did a pretty good job. I'm proud of myself. So, oh gosh. Sorry guys. Hold on, let me just wipe that fog away. That steam. So, yeah. There's your noodles. Fog it up. A little steamy, but that's okay. So, bye!